welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Thursday 26th of July with me, Chief Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at Euro-Dollar, which is an important chart today because what we have ahead of us is the ECB meeting, monetary policy meeting, rates decision at 12:45, press conference at 1:30. No change expected in the rates decision at 12:45. However, the press conference could be a little bit more interesting. And it could provide a bit of volatility, certainly surrounding the marriage argues answer to the likely question of the definition of summer 19, as in when the forward rates guidance is expected to make a change to rates, or the deposit rate at least. So how Draghi deals with that question could drive a bit of volatility. Also, how the ECB sort of looks at inflation going forward as well would be interesting. However, in front of that, we've seen a slight ticking higher in the euro yesterday on the back of the Trump and Juncker agreement. Not decisive. Just a few ticks higher. Still resistance area 1735, around that 38.2% fib level, but 1750 has been the resistance across pretty much the last week and week or so, and that remains intact. And you got the RSI 52. It was 54 when I wrote the morning report today. Euro's just ticked a little bit back, 10 pips down on the day. Now the RSI has been between 55 and 45 for several weeks, so it's not really showing any real direction still, and I think it could be the ECB that drives a bit of volatility and possible direction. But you need a move above 1790, which is this reaction high here from earlier in July, to really get a bit of traction in this recovery. If it were to be seen, because at the moment you're still trading within these converging trend lines, which ultimately, therefore, I suppose is a triangle, symmetrical triangle. Pretty shallow one, but still symmetrical triangle nonetheless. Consolidation ultimately therefore on the euro, and it needs a catalyst. And could we get that catalyst from the ECB today? I'm hoping so, because it's getting a bit dull. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.